In this video, we'll walk through how to configure the Group Settings tab under Social Groups Settings. These settings control how groups are created, how members interact inside groups, and how group communication works across your community. Let's get started. This tab is where you manage the core behavior of social groups in your community. First is group creation. Enable social group creation by all members allows any member to create a group. When disabled, only administrators can create groups. Note that administrators can always create groups regardless of this setting, and group creation permissions can be further refined using access controls. Next is group subscriptions. Allow members to subscribe to groups, enables notifications for group activity. When enabled, members will be notified about new posts and discussions inside groups they belong to, helping them stay engaged with group activity. Next is group messages. Allow for sending group messages to group members enables members to send a message to all group members at once. This helps improve communication and coordination within groups. Now let's look at subgroups. This feature allows you to create a parent and child group structure within your community. Enable groups to have subgroups allows groups to contain nested child groups. Hide subgroups from groups directory keeps subgroups out of the main directory, so only parent groups are publicly visible. Restrict subgroup invites to members of the parent group ensures that only members of the parent group can be invited into its subgroups. These options help you organize larger communities into structured group hierarchies, and that's how you configure group settings. These settings give you full control over how groups are created, structured, and how members interact inside them.